Every jar of honey begins with millions of tiny workers greeting the morning.
Inside every hive, nature stores energy in perfect geometric order.
Each cell holds a concentrated record of countless foraging flights. The harvest moves methodically from hive to collection point. Only the ripest honeycomb is selected for processing.
Careful preparation protects both the bees and the harvest.
Protection at every step preserves quality before processing begins.
Traceability begins the moment the harvest leaves the hive. From the field, the harvest begins its journey toward refinement. The journey from hive to processing facility is now underway. The harvest now moves from the apiary toward industrial refinement.
Reliable transport protects quality during every kilometer of travel.
Nature's harvest steadily approaches a world of precision machinery. Every shipment is verified before entering the production network.
Each batch is matched to its processing schedule.
From transport to processing, continuity is carefully maintained.
Accurate records ensure consistency from hive to shelf.
Every batch is documented before entering the industrial chain. The harvest now enters the controlled environment of modern production. Inside, precision systems prepare to transform raw harvest into finished honey. The first stage of transformation is about to begin. Every station plays a role in a carefully coordinated sequence.
Precision scheduling keeps production balanced and efficient.
The harvest is now ready for cleaning, sorting, and extraction.
The first barrier is removed, revealing the honey stored within. Careful cleaning prepares each frame for efficient extraction.
Automation helps maintain consistency at industrial scale. Scale and coordination define modern food manufacturing. Stored energy from thousands of flowers is about to be collected. The transformation from honeycomb to liquid honey has begun. Even the smallest quantities are carefully reclaimed.
Conditioning prepares the product for uniform processing. Careful temperature control protects the honey's natural qualities. Thousands of frames combine into a single controlled batch. Uniformity is achieved through careful and controlled movement. Regular sampling keeps production aligned with quality standards. A stable product stream supports efficient industrial operation.
Modern production relies on constant visibility across every process.
Processed honey is collected and prepared for the next transformation stage. Consistency is built through controlled batch management. The foundation is complete, and the honey is ready for advanced refinement. Precise temperature management supports smooth and reliable processing. Consistency is measured not only by appearance, the next step ensures uniform characteristics throughout the batch. Uniform texture enhances stability across large-scale production. Freshly extracted honey begins its journey through industrial refinement. Each stage improves purity while preserving authenticity. The first filtration stage removes larger impurities. Refined honey now enters the stage where consistency is perfected. Data-driven monitoring supports every stage of production. Every transfer preserves the integrity of the final product. Data guides every decision inside the production environment. Balanced storage keeps production flowing without interruption. Movement helps maintain consistency from tank to tank.
Standardization ensures every batch meets the same expectations.
The process now shifts from refinement toward automated finishing. Automation coordinates the movement of thousands of kilograms every hour.
The honey is now prepared for the most automated stage of production.
Automation now coordinates every movement with measured precision.
Temporary storage keeps production balanced and uninterrupted.
Every parameter is tracked in real time.
Controlled flow ensures consistency throughout the facility.
Stable conditions support reliable large-scale production.
Automation prepares the product for efficient packaging.
Accuracy is maintained across every container.
Preparation begins long before the first drop is filled.
Automation keeps every stage connected without interruption.
The product now enters its final precision finishing stage. Every container receives a secure seal before continuing forward. Automated inspection catches imperfections invisible to the eye. Individual containers now become part of larger production units.
Verification ensures each seal performs exactly as intended.
Presentation is refined alongside product quality. Human expertise and automation work together one last time.
Traceability remains connected to every container. Branding and information are applied with exact placement. Precise grouping keeps packaging consistent at scale.
Advanced testing confirms natural composition. Representative samples define the quality of the entire batch. Science ensures every drop meets strict standards. Moisture balance is critical for honey stability. Human evaluation remains essential in quality assurance. Sensory testing confirms the product's natural profile.
Safety verification protects every consumer.
Final approval marks the transition to shipment readiness.
Traceability ensures full transparency from lab to shelf.
Samples are preserved for future verification and quality assurance. Once all checks are complete, production moves to final packaging.
Controlled heat locks every unit into a stable transport form.
Final boxing prepares products for global distribution.
Final checks continue even at the finishing stage. Every pallet is secured for secure logistics handling.
Digital tracking ensures full global traceability.
Controlled storage preserves product quality until shipment.
Logistics teams synchronize every outbound shipment. A coordinated network ensures global reach.
And this is how modern factories produce honey from start to finish.